NMB cable, which stands for non-metallic sheath cable, is a commonly used type of electrical cable suitable for installation inside walls. It is rated for 300 volts and is primarily used in residential and light commercial applications. The construction of NMB cable involves two or more insulated conductors that are encased within a non-metallic outer sheath. This sheath provides protection for the conductors and contributes to the overall safety and durability of the cable. One of the key advantages of NMB cable is its ease of installation. It is relatively flexible and can be easily routed through walls and ceilings. The non-metallic sheath is also easy to strip and work with, making it a popular choice for electricians and dyers alike. When installing NMB cable, it is essential to follow the guidelines and regulations outlined in the National Electrical Code, specifically the 2014 edition in this case. The NEC provides detailed information on proper installation techniques, including requirements for cable support, protection from physical damage, and allowable ampacity. Allowable ampacity refers to the maximum amount of current that a conductor can safely carry without exceeding its temperature rating. The ampacity of NMB cable depends on several factors, including the size of the conductors, the type of insulation, and the ambient temperature. It is crucial to select the appropriate size NMB cable for the intended application to ensure that it can safely handle the expected load. For example, a 14 American wire gauge NMB cable with type TW insulation has an ampacity of 15 amps, while a 12 American wire gauge NMB cable with the same insulation has an ampacity of 20 amps. When running NMB cable through walls, it is important to protect it from physical damage. This can be achieved by using cable staples or straps to secure the cable to the framing members. The staples or straps should be installed in such a way that they do not damage the cable's insulation. In areas where the cable is exposed to potential damage, such as in unfinished basements or attics, it should be run through conduit or other protective raceways. The NEC also specifies requirements for the spacing of cable supports. In general, NMB cable must be supported at intervals not exceeding 4.5 feet and within 12 inches of electrical boxes or other terminations. These supports help to prevent the cable from sagging or becoming damaged. When connecting NMB cable to electrical devices, such as outlets, switches, or lighting fixtures, it is essential to use the proper wiring techniques. The bare ground wire should always be connected to the grounding terminal of the device, and the insulated conductors should be connected to the appropriate terminals. It is also important to ensure that all connections are tight and secure to prevent loose connections, which can cause overheating and electrical hazards. NMB cable is available in a variety of sizes and configurations to suit different applications. The size of the conductors is typically indicated by a number followed by AWG, such as 14 AWG, 12 AWG, or 10 AWG. The lower the number, the larger the conductor size. The number of conductors in the cable is also indicated, such as 2-conductor, 3-conductor, or 4-conductor. The most common types of NMB cable are 40-2, 12-2, and 10-2, which contain 2 insulated conductors and a bare ground wire. The insulation of NMB cable is typically made of PVC, which is a type of plastic that is resistant to heat and moisture. The insulation is color-coded to indicate the function of each conductor. Typically, the black wire is used for the hot conductor, the white wire is used for the neutral conductor, and the bare wire is used for the ground conductor. It is important to always follow the color code when wiring electrical circuits to ensure proper polarity and prevent electrical hazards. When working with NMB cable, it is essential to follow all safety precautions. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. Use insulated tools to prevent electric shock. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. And never work on electrical wiring if you are not qualified to do so. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the job. The NEC provides detailed guidelines on the proper use and installation of NMB cable. It is important to consult the NEC before starting any electrical wiring project to ensure that you are following all applicable codes and regulations. Failure to follow the NEC can result in serious electrical hazards, including fire and electric shock. NMB cable is a versatile and reliable wiring solution for residential and light commercial applications. By understanding its construction, installation requirements, and safety precautions, you can safely and effectively use NMB cable to power your home or business. Always remember to consult the NEC and follow all applicable codes and regulations to ensure a safe and code-compliant installation. When working with electrical wiring, safety should always be your top priority. Take the time to learn the proper techniques and precautions, and never hesitate to ask for help if you are unsure about anything. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your electrical wiring projects are safe, reliable, and up to code.